Well. The Hinman emails have been produced. I've been talking about this recently here in some XRP Ripple updates. But if it's your first time dropping in and hearing about this, welcome in. Some big things happening right now with XRP as the Hinman emails have been produced. So if you've been following this court case for the last 18 months, you know that this has been at the forefront. So Stuart Alderati, he is the general counsel at Ripple, over 35 years of legal experience too. Tweets recently, just a couple days ago, over 18 months and 6 court orders later, we finally have the Hinman docs, internal SEC emails, and drafts of his infamous 2018 speech. While they remain confidential for now at the SEC's insistence, I can say that it was well worth the fight to get them. He goes on by saying, I've always felt good about our legal arguments, and I feel even better now. I always felt bad about the SEC's tactics, and I feel even worse about them now. So a lot of things happening right now with the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. And I just did a video recently about this, why Monday could be crucial for XRP. That's tomorrow as Ripple celebrates partial victory versus the SEC. And that's, of course, getting these documents is the first big step in the right direction for Ripple here. So, and again, Ripple's not arguing the fair notice defense, but instead they're arguing that the fair notice defense is an issue of fact, which should go to jury trial. Furthermore, Hogan commented via Twitter, this is Jeremy Hogan, that Ripple's attorneys are referring to the case Revac versus SEC Realty Group Corp. It's a Second Circuit case and binding authority. He continues and says, the briefs are scheduled to be made public next Monday, but last month the SEC ignored that deadline and filed it a day early. So be on the lookout anytime for Sunday or Monday for those to drop. After that, there's just one more brief that's coming on November 15th, and then we are basically done. So are we getting close? Are we getting close to having a victory here? Right now, they're calling it a partial victory. A lot of things right now in favor of Ripple and XRP, and that has people wondering, XRP's price. Is it getting ready for a bullish breakout? And obviously, we have these sort of things happening in the background, but we've also got some technical things from a price standpoint I want to talk about. So it says here, this is from beincrypto.com. The XRP price is expected to break out from the current triangle pattern after consolidating for a short period of time. It's unclear if it will reach and reclaim the long-term 60-cent resistance area. We saw that in the last few months. That's where it kind of popped up to, and obviously met some extreme resistance there and came back down now, trading down there in the 40-cent range right now. It says the most bullish scenario would be a weekly close above the 60-cent resistance area and a decisive RSI breakout above 50. Now, the 60-cent area is crucial since it previously provided support since the beginning of 2021. It is yet to be validated as resistance. Now, conversely, a rejection from the 60-cent area and or the RSI falling below 50 would be bearish. Now, if you remember back on September 22nd, XRP moved up and broke out from an ascending parallel channel pattern that had previously been in place since June 18th. XRP's price reached a local high of 56 cents that next day. It was one of the top gainers and most talked about cryptos there for about a week's time. And however, if the daily RSI falls below 50, then we could see a decrease below the previous low of 41 cents, which would invalidate the XRP price being bullish. So if we go back here, this is Cardano. We want to take a look at XRP right now. XRP being traded right now at 45 cents. So we shall see which direction we're going to pull out from. I do think a move back up to around the 60-cent range is possible. We did see, again, here's that breakout they were talking about all the way up here. Here was another one back on the 9th, right, where we popped up to about 53 cents. And earlier, obviously back in May before the crash, we were trading even closer to $1 up in here, right? 85 cents, 82 cents. This was back beginning of this year. It's going to be interesting to watch. I mean, the big thing we're watching right now, obviously, is the SEC lawsuit, right? When you zoom out here and you see XRP had its big run up in 2017, 2018, I think we quickly get back to all-time highs here with a lawsuit win. I really do. I think it's relatively quick that we jump up to $3 very quickly. That's just my 2 cents. Let me know what you guys think down below, but a lot of things we're tracking. We're tracking the price. We're tracking some deadlines here. And also just, the Hinman emails, just a lot to unpack here. So much going on with XRP. We'll continue to bring you up to speed on everything going on. Make sure you guys subscribe down below so you don't miss anything that comes out here as it relates to Ripple XRP, because it's going to have huge effects on crypto, huge effects on the entire market. So thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.